SDAIE stands for Specially Designed Academic Instruction in English. It is a teaching approach intended for teaching various academic content such as social studies, science, or literature, using the English language for students who are still learning English. There are various strategies that could be used, but the one used today will be Quickwrite. This can be used at any grade level, K through 12, and can be modified if needed for students. It is meant as an individual strategy that can be written in a journal or a piece of paper. Students are given a few minutes to write down their thoughts, ideas, or feelings about a topic or a personal experience or a reaction to a picture or a question originally given. You must tell them not to worry about mistakes and just to write down as much as they can in the allotted time and to express themselves. Students can then share their Quickwrites with their partners or the class to retell what they have learned. This strategy features the promotion of personal connection. It assesses the student's knowledge. It summarizes the reading. It can promote a student's reflection. It encourages their critical thinking, creativity, and exploration, and encourages them to make predictions, inferences, or hypotheses. You can use this strategy either during, before, or after a lesson. This strategy can be beneficial to ELL students because it gets them on the comfort level of putting their ideas or thoughts down on a piece of paper without having to worry about mistakes. This can give the teacher an ability to assess their work over the years and see their progression in their writing. Quickwrites can also help ELL students by practicing their writing and then applying it to their essay writing in the future. It'll also help review the lesson that they may have learned already. Students who are not confident orally can also be given time to think, write, and process the question so that they can more easily share in a paired or group work. They should be encouraged to write in their first language if necessary, or it can be modified to pictures or shorter sentences that they are capable of writing. The layout design of a Quickwrite can be done in several different ways. A general way to have it done would be to put the topic or the question at the top of the page as a reference for future review and have their answers written below. Here's an example of how you may want to approach setting up your Quickwrite to be introduced to your students. Hello class! Today we're going to be talking about measurements. I would like you to take out your Quickwrite journals and go ahead and write one of the questions down on the header. So in 1 to 2 sentences, I want you to answer one of the following questions below. What are some measurements you might take in a chemistry lab? Why do you think it is important to make an accurate and precise measurement? And finally, in your own words, try to define the term accurate. I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to answer these questions, and then I'll call upon 1 or 2 of the students to give us their answers to one of the questions.